Getting the no club error on the FC26 web app. If your EA account says you don't have a Football Ultimate Team club, even though you do, don't panic. We have got the exact steps to fix it and get you back into Ultimate Team fast. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. If FC26 is locking you out of the web app with the no club error, this video will show you why it happens and how to solve it step by step. Method 1. Verify your account eligibility. Ensure you have created an Ultimate Team club in FC26 and logged into Ultimate Team on that platform. Your FC26 account must still exist and be in a good standing, that is, not banned or flagged for trading violations. Method 2. Try logging out and logging in again. Logging in again if you get the getting started error in the EA FC26 web app and it's telling you the account does not have a FUT26 club, but you have used it to play FC with an Ultimate Team before, you might be able to fix it. Open EA app, then click on your profile icon. Then expand the menu and select Log Out. Then try logging in again and see whether that works. Double check that you are logging in with the correct account. Method 3. Wait for the updates. If the account you are using is new and has never connected to a previous FC game, then you won't be able to sign in until EA FC26 launches. Those who have paid for the Ultimate Edition will get access 7 days early. If not, you will have to wait until EA launches an update. Method 4. Check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a stable internet connection. You can check the internet speed from speedtest.net. If the internet connection is slow, then contact your service provider for help. Method 5. Clear browser cache. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can often resolve issues related to outdated or corrupted data. To clear Chrome browser cache, open Chrome and click on the 3 dots menu. Select Delete Browsing Data. Next, select All Time from the time range. Check all the boxes and click on Delete Data option. Confirm your action if asked and follow as shown to finish the process. Method 6. Use a supported browser. Ensure you are using a browser that supports WebGL such as Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Edge, or Opera. Try switching to a different browser if you encounter issues with your current one. Method 7. Disable browser extensions. Disable any browser extensions that might interfere with the web app. Ad blockers, VPNs, and other extensions can sometimes cause issues. Here we are showing how to disable Chrome extensions. Open Chrome menu, then select Extensions. Then Manage Extensions. Here you can remove or disable the browser extensions. Confirm if asked. Once done, try to launch the game and check. Method 8. Contact EA support. If the method shown could not fix the problem, you should contact the EA support team and follow the instructions provided by the experts to fix the issue. And that's how you fix the no club error in the FC26 web app. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick fixes and gaming tips. Drop a comment to let others know which method worked for you. It could save someone else hours of frustration. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next one.